We got here 2007 Hyundai entourage. Um, the heat wasn't working, or AC. There was nothing when you turn this on. When you go under the blower motor is kind of running slow, which made me think the control module here is bad. So I did remove it, and I'm gonna replace this. All the controls here weren't working except the hazards that were running. So to do that, you will have to take the plastic around the shifter first, pull it out. There is screws for this piece here and this piece here. You want to remove the screws, pull it out as well. Then you got this 4 screws for the climate control. You want to remove those and pull it up. So this should take me like 10 minutes, or just unplug it and just put new one in, or used one. Used one is your best bet. It will be cheaper, probably like $30. So if you have that problem with no power to the fan, either rear or front, don't be wasting your time. This module is bad inside, so just replace it. Alright, good luck.